Hey Costco shoppers, have you seen those ads or emails promising you a $750 Costco gift card just for filling out a survey? Let's talk about why that dnkdeals.com offer is actually a scam and how you can protect yourself. First off, if something seems too good to be true, like a huge gift card for barely any effort, it probably is. Big companies like Costco don't just hand out $750 for clicking a few buttons or answering some questions. Look closely at the website. The legit Costco site is Costco.com. dnkdeals.com? Totally unrelated and definitely suspicious. These scam sites are after your personal info, not trying to reward you. They'll ask for things like your social security number, banking details, or even your credit card, pretending they need to verify your identity. This is classic phishing. Costco has made it clear, they never authorize dnkdeals.com to give out rewards. In fact, they keep a running list of known scams, so check their official site if you're ever unsure. Here's how to spot a fake Costco offer. Check the sender. Official Costco emails come from acostco.com or amemberdelivery.com addresses, never random domains. Watch for spelling errors or weird language, like calling you Costco shopper instead of your real name. Scammers also love using timers or urgent warnings to push you into acting fast, so don't fall for the pressure. If you clicked on one of these fake offers, don't panic, but act fast. Change your email and bank passwords, keep an eye on your accounts for strange charges, and report the scam to the FTC or your local authorities. And remember, if you want to check your real Costco shop card balance, only use the official Costco website. Stay sharp and shop